So just because a car brand is popular doesn't mean it's a good buy. Some well-known brands are infamous for their poor gas mileage, high maintenance costs, and rapid depreciation. With the average new vehicle price hovering around $48,500, choosing the wrong brand can lead to unexpected expenses. To help you make an informed decision, I've got a list of which popular car brands to avoid and why. Ford is a household name, especially known for its pickup trucks, but mechanics advise caution, highlighting reliability issues as a significant concern. According to the J.D. Power Dependability Study, Ford vehicles report around 239 problems per 100 vehicles, placing them among the least reliable brands. RepairPal.com estimates that maintaining a Ford vehicle on average costs around $775 annually. Common issues include engine problems, transmission failures, and electrical system malfunctions. Over a decade, maintenance costs can total around $10,000. The 2024 F-150 starts around $40,000, with leasing costs potentially reaching $1,000 per month for higher-end models. With a combined fuel economy around 18 miles per gallon, owners should expect higher fuel expenses. GMC vehicles are known for their stylish designs and robust features, but they come with reliability issues, particularly in the mechanical systems. GMCs often face costly repairs, especially related to the drivetrain and suspension. RepairPal data shows that maintaining a GMC costs around $745 a year. Over 10 years, owners may spend nearly $8,000 on maintenance and repairs alone. An all-new all-wheel drive GMC SUV can start around $45,000. Fuel efficiency isn't great there, with models like the 2024 Yukon offering only 21 miles per gallon, city 27 on the highway. Volvo has earned a reputation for luxury and safety, but recent reliability issues, particularly with their EVs, have raised some concerns. The J.D. Power Dependability Study reports that Volvo vehicles encounter around 245 problems per 100 vehicles, which is high for a luxury brand. According to Car Edge, Volvo owners can expect to pay around $13,500 over the first decade of ownership, which is slightly higher than many competitors. There's also a 30% chance of needing a major repair within 10 years on a Volvo. Models like the XC60 start around $50,000, while the fully electric EX30 begins around $35,000. High-tech component issues such as problems with the electrical system and infotainment malfunctions are said to be common. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are synonymous with luxury, but their reliability has declined over the years. Issues with transmissions and driver assist features are frequent, leading to increased maintenance needs. Maintenance for a Mercedes-Benz vehicle costs on average around $16,000 over 10 years. The J.D. Power Dependability Study there reports 218 problems per 100 vehicles, reflecting a decrease in reliability. Here's an example. Depending on the model, a new Mercedes-Benz can range from $40,000 to $110,000. While these vehicles generally offer good fuel efficiency, the high repair and maintenance costs may offset this benefit. Rivian, a newer player in the EV market, is known for its innovative designs and performance. However, these vehicles face reliability challenges and higher costs, primarily due to the difficulty in finding parts and skilled technicians, plus they're new. Since Rivian is a newer brand, specific long-term maintenance costs are not well documented, but electric vehicles typically have higher initial costs. Finding parts and qualified service can add to the expense. A 2025 R1T starts over $72,000, making it one of the more expensive options in the EV market. While they offer impressive performance, the maintenance challenges may distract some buyers. Then there's Land Rover, a well-regarded vehicle for its off-road capabilities and luxury features, but it comes with a reputation for being expensive to maintain for good reason. Electrical system failures and air suspension problems are common. RepairPal lists the average annual repair cost for a Land Rover at $1,100 on average. Car Edge reports that maintaining a Land Rover over 10 years can cost nearly $20,000, making it one of the most priciest brands to own. Here's an example. A 2024 Land Rover can cost anywhere from $58,000 and up, depending on the model. Despite their allure, the high repair costs and frequent maintenance needs make Land Rovers a risky investment. I use that term loosely, investment, for those budget-conscious buyers who probably are not looking for a Land Rover, to be honest. While these brands offer popular models and impressive features, potential buyers should be aware of the higher maintenance costs, shocking costs, and reliability concerns associated with them. If you're considering buying one of these brands that I mentioned, it's crucial to factor in these additional expenses to avoid financial surprises down the road. If and when you're in the market for a new or used car, you should take a minute and visit quotes.everymandriver.com. You'll find the lowest advertised prices in your city and state from pre-qualified dealerships. Start with a make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, simply expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles outside your area. You could save a few hundred or a few $1,000s on your next new or used vehicle. Start by typing in quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.